Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change currency on Coinbase wallet. In order to do that, first of all, you have to open the Coinbase application and launch the Coinbase. Now, after that, you have to log in into your Coinbase account, and from there, after logging in the account, you have to access the menu. Now tap on the hamburger menu, which is three horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the home screen. Now from the menu you have to select the profile and select settings. From there you have to scroll down until you find the option which is native currency. Now tap on it to view the list of available currencies. Now you have to browse through the list and select your desired currency. The app will take a moment to update and your native currency will be changed accordingly. Now after that, once changed, you should see your balance and other values displayed in the new currency. So this is how you can change the currency in Coinbase wallet.